One of the biggest struggles virtual assistants face when applying for jobs is tailoring their resume to match each job description. It takes a lot of time, it's stressful, and let's be honest, many virtual assistants skip this step and send a generic resume, which lower their chances of getting hired. But today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do this work for you quick and easy. Around I share the exact prompts you can use. Here is why it matters. Each client or job post is different. So if your resume, let's say for instance, doesn't reflect what the client is specifically looking for, your application might get ignored. And apart from this, tailoring your resume manually takes too much time, especially if you are applying to multiple jobs. There is no time. You want to manage your time effectively. That is why AI tools like ChatGPT can save you. It can save you hours of thinking and seeing how you can go about it. You can upload your resume, give ChatGPT the description, and have it rewrite your resume to match all in just few minutes. And now I want you to watch how ChatGPT will rewrite this resume. I'm doing it for you now. I'm going to do the demonstration for you live. Please take a look at how I'm going to do it. Now I already opened my new chat, and the next thing is to upload my CV that I want to use. You know, it's a CV I've already downloaded. So I'm going to upload this CV here on ChatGPT. While it is uploading, I already have my prompt I want to use. So let me copy this prompt and also paste it in the chat. Now, the phone says, "Hi ChatGPT, I have the following resume for a virtual assistant and I need you to help improve it based on the job description below. Tailor the resume to align the skills and experience that best matches this role using relevant keywords, professional language, focusing on making the client focus and align with job description." So, what I'm going to do next is to copy the role summary, which is here. So, I'm going to copy it and paste it also in the chat. I'll also paste it here. Then I click on send. Let's see how ChatGPT is going to do this for us in a few seconds. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's bringing up all the skills that matches the job description. So now there is something I also want ChatGPT to do for me. Um, I want it to show the before and after samples with improved section. So I'm going to paste it here. Show before and after example with two sections, one or two sections improved. So we can see how this really matches the job description. So you can see it's bringing down the before and after section, like what was improved and what needs to, you can say, the summary of improvements. It explains everything, and you can always fine tune it. And that is all for today. This is what I do in my channel. I provide tips that are easy for fresh virtual assistant graduates like you to navigate the workforce of remote work, which many people find it difficult. If you find value in my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.